In order to install 0.4, be sure that 0.4 install disk is in the CD-ROM. Go to the Start button, go up to My Computer, and open up My Computer. In the My Computer window, you want to find the CD-ROM icon. When you find it, double-click on it. That'll open the window. If you can't find Setup EXE in this window easily, you can go to the icon in the upper right that looks like a Windows icon and change it to a list icon. That will put them in alphabetical order. And then in that list, you're able to go down and find Setup EXE, double-click on Setup EXE, and that'll begin to open the install procedure. Now with the install procedure opening up, you want to, in the Windows, your only choices in this is either Next, Yes, or Finish. Just click on Next, Yes, or Finish to complete the install of Adventures in Names. When that install is completed, it'll come up with the window. You go ahead and hit Finish, and we'll continue from there. Once you've clicked on Finish, go ahead and find the program by going to the Start button, Programs. In the list, find Adventures in Names and choose Adventures in Names. Run it the first time. It'll say it needs to finish install. You click OK and then run it a second time. The second time you run Adventures in Names, it will bring up a login box. All three fields are filled with the word Name, N-A-M-E. Click or tab to the next field. When you're finished, press Enter or click on the OK button. When you've done this, it'll come up and ask you if you agree with the license. You can find the license and README file on the CD-ROM. Go ahead and click OK if you're going to run the program and you agree, and this will start to open up this software. After logging in the second time, it will bring you to the System Properties screen. In the System Properties screen on the upper left, you'll note that there's information you'll need to change later. We'll tell you how to get back here. That information prints on your certificates. On the lower left, you'll see that we need the information, the key and the date. You will call a technician, give them that information, and the technician will give you back a password. You type the password in on the upper right, click the unlock button. It will unlock you for 3 months. Then go ahead and click the exit button. That will unlock the system. The software will now come up twice and tell you that you have no uses. Click OK on that. It'll bring you to this screen, and then just go to the Tools menu and choose System Properties. The System Properties window will open again. Down to the lower left, you'll notice it says Data Uses Information. Here you'll give the technician the service number, the key, and the date. From that information, the technician will give you back the amount of uses to type in and also a password for those uses. After you've typed this information in on these two appropriate fields, go ahead and click on the Add Uses button that's just below that. Go ahead and click OK. It'll come up and tell you congratulations. Click OK on that box. And then change the information on the art uses. You'll get the amount of uses, the password from the technician. Click OK again on, the add uses. And once it's done correctly, click OK. Now at this point, you can either exit or you can go up here to the upper left and change that information, or you can do it later. Company, phone, and email is what actually prints on your certificates. If you prefer to do this later, just go ahead and click Exit. From the category screen, choose Tools, System Properties. That'll bring you back in here. You can change that information as you desire to do so, and then click Exit.